First up, we've got the body weight bent over. This is a powerhouse move for your back, shoulders, and core. Benefit 1. It strengthens your lower back, which is key for good posture and reducing back pain. Benefit 2. Engages your core, making your midsection stronger and more stable. Benefit 3. Perfect for improving flexibility in your hamstrings and hips. Great for anyone sitting all day. Plus, no equipment needed. Just your body and a little bit of focus. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Second, leg stretching. Next, let's talk leg stretching. Stretching isn't just for yogis, it's for everyone who wants healthy, happy legs. Benefit 1. Helps improve your overall range of motion, so every movement feels smoother. Benefit 2. Reduces tightness in your thighs, calves, and hips. Great after a long day of walking or sitting. Benefit 3. Increases blood flow to your muscles, which speeds up recovery and keeps soreness at bay. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the relaxing feel of a good stretch? 3. Squats. All right, moving on to one of my personal favorites, the squat. This classic move is like the MVP of workouts. Benefit 1. Builds strength in your legs and glutes, making everyday activities like climbing stairs a breeze. Benefit 2. Boosts your metabolism because it works multiple muscle groups at once. Benefit 3. Improves your balance and stability, helping you avoid injuries in the long run. Whether it's bodyweight squats or adding a little extra weight, this one's a must-have for your routine. 4. Warm-up. Now, I know warm-ups aren't the most exciting part of a workout, but trust me, they're a game changer. Benefit 1. Prepares your muscles and joints for exercise, reducing the risk of injury. Benefit 2. Increases your heart rate and gets the blood flowing. Perfect for waking up your body. Benefit 3. Helps you perform better in your main workout by loosening up stiff areas, so don't skip it. A quick 5 to 10 minutes can make all the difference. 5. Stretches with muscles. Stretching with muscles, or active stretching, is like giving your body a tune-up while building strength at the same time. Benefit 1. It improves flexibility and strength together, so you're hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Benefit 2. Keeps your joints healthy by promoting better movement patterns. Benefit 3. Boosts athletic performance. Yes, even for everyday athletes like us. Think of it as dynamic stretching's cooler cousin, functional and effective. 6. Sportsman stretching. Last but definitely not least, we have sportsman stretching. It's all about targeting those key muscle groups athletes rely on. Benefit 1. Increases flexibility and mobility, especially in areas like your hips and hamstrings. Benefit 2. Prevents injuries by keeping your muscles lengthened and ready for action. Benefit 3. Enhances recovery time after workouts, so you can bounce back faster. Whether you're running, cycling, or just chasing after your kids, this stretch keeps you agile and ready for anything.